One of the things that you can do on your own is something called FAST, or First Aid Stress Tool. So what I'd first like you to do at home is, if you can, think about something that's stressful for you, and on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 no disturbance or neutral, 10 highest disturbance you can imagine, where would you rate yourself? Is it a 6, is it a 7, is it an 8, right now as you're sitting here watching this show? And as you think about that, notice where you feel it in your body and what kind of comes up as you think about that. And then what I'll have you do is, you're going to put where the face of a watch would go, you're going to put your palm. So your palm goes on your wrist like this, and your fingers curl around so that you can see that. And your fingers are just resting lightly on these pulse points.
So by doing that, you are making contact then with those acupuncture pulse points you referred to.
Yes. And then you can put your hand on your forehead like this, and there are emotional points here that when you contact these with the other points, your body is able to quiet itself down in a very natural and painless way. And then what I'm going to have you do is close your eyes, and you're going to lean forward, resting your elbows either on a table, or you could put your forearms on your legs or your elbows on your legs, but some way that your back and your neck are supported, because I want you to be comfortable when you try this at home. It shouldn't be a painful treatment. And you put your hand on your forehead and you close your eyes and you take slow, deep breaths in and out. And just allow your body to relax while you're doing that. Just let yourself soften, just feel the stress that's there. And I find that it's helpful to just try and hold on to the stress for as long as you can, so that you can let yourself feel whatever the hardest part about the memory was. So maybe the hardest part was feeling like you had no control, or that there wasn't anything you could do, or you weren't sure what was going to happen, but just to feel that what made it the most difficult, why it still stands out for you after all this time. When you're doing the treatment, at first it's going to feel a little bit more intense. You'll feel things a little bit more strongly, and then it's going to start to calm down. For some people, it's different. Some people feel their heart rate come down. Some people feel their pulse points slowing. Some people feel they can take a deeper breath. It's different for everybody. There's no right answer. But after about a minute or so, you should feel yourself sort of regulate a little bit more. And then when that happens, you switch sides and you do the other side. So now I'm putting my right hand on my forehead, my left hand on my wrist. I'm curling my fingers around again and just closing my eyes and taking slow, deep breaths. And just focusing on the stress. And just breathing for about a minute or so. And it's that simple. It's that easy.